Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the Beaver Boardwalk in Hinton, Alberta, a wonderful place to explore and enjoy the beauty of nature. The boardwalk offers a peaceful walk through a wetland environment where you can observe beavers and other wildlife in their natural habitat. Hinton is located in west central Alberta, about 3 hours west of Edmonton. The town was established in the early 20th century and grew significantly with the arrival of the Grand Trunk Pacific Railway. Today, Hinton is known for its strong ties to the forestry industry and its proximity to the vast wilderness of Jasper National Park. The boardwalk is also home to a variety of bird species, making it a great spot for birdwatching. The diverse plant life along the trail adds to the area's beauty, with wildflowers and native grasses providing a colorful backdrop. Whether you're a local or a visitor, this serene spot offers a perfect opportunity to connect with nature. Thank you for joining us on this walk along the Beaver Boardwalk in Hinton, Alberta. Thanks for watching!